creating, editing, and deleting a lead. Creating a lead. As new potential customers show interest in your business, you need to record their information for nurturing the relationship. This can be efficiently done by creating a lead in the system. There are two ways to create a new lead in the system. First is by using the Public Leads form. This form can be accessed from the Explorer sidebar. You can host this on your website or any landing page. The leads themselves or any of the interested people can fill in and submit the details here. This will automatically create a lead item in the system and notify the sales team. For second method to create a lead, begin by navigating to the Leads homepage from the Explorer sidebar. Based on your preference, you can view the leads on a board page or a list page. Once on the desired page, click on the New Lead button. This will open a flyout allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. The fields that appear highlighted in red are mandatory for creating a new lead record. While the mandatory fields is the minimum set of information required, it is recommended that you fill in as many relevant fields as possible to maintain good record keeping. Finally, click on Create to successfully register a new lead. In many business scenarios, you will not have all the relevant information at the time of creating the record. In such cases, you can create the lead record with the available information and edit it later. Editing a lead. To edit a lead, navigate to Leads Home, Board page or List page. Locate the lead record you want to edit, either by scrolling through or using the search bar. If on List page, click on the title of the lead you wish to edit. On the other hand, if you're on the Boards page, double-click on the desired lead tablet to enter the Details page of the selected lead. Here, all the editable fields of the lead are displayed. You can also input additional details in this tab. Make the necessary edits to the relevant fields and click on the Save button to store the changes. The activity feed will show a history of changes made to the lead record, and if desired, you can roll back to a previous version. To roll back to a previous version, go to the Details page and click the Rollback button. This will display the version history for the lead record. Select a specific version and save the changes. Deleting a lead. Deleting a lead is not recommended. Rather, you should consider changing the status appropriately. However, in cases of incorrect data entry or a duplicate lead being created, you can delete the lead. To delete a lead, there are two options. From the Lead Details page, simply click on the Delete button to delete the lead. Alternatively, if you wish to delete multiple leads at once, it is advantageous to do so from the Leads List page. Navigate to the Leads List page and select all the leads you want to delete and press the Delete button. Please note, you cannot delete multiple leads from Board page.